Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to convert your simple image, which is JPG or PNG image, to pixelated image. So you can just see here, right here on your screen, this is a simple image of mine. You can see this is my image here, and it is converted to this pixelated image. So you can't see the face here, you can't see the image. You can see the image, but you cannot recognize me. So basically it is meant by pixelated, or it is kind of blur. It is changed to blurred image and pixelated. So basically it is used in many applications whenever you want to hide your face and change the picture to pixelated. So there are various online tools which are available to make this application. Let me just see. Convert image to pixelated. So various tools are there. Pixelated PNG. So if you import the image, whatever image that you want to convert, you can see that. Basically, it takes the original image and it pixelates it. And if you now save this image, try to open this. This is converted to pixelated. So in similar fashion, guys, we will be doing it inside programmatically inside Node.js in the browser using Express. And first of all, I will show you the command, which is a very free command. You can use it. There is a free open source library, ImageMagick. ImageMagick, as you all know, it's the open source library for image processing inside your command line. So first of all, you need to install this library. Simply there is a download button. Simply it's a cross-platform library. It is also available for Linux, Mac and Windows machine. As my machine is Windows 64-bit, so I've already downloaded it. So now to cross-check it, simply type here magic, and after that, so now if the command is successful, that you have successfully installed this library. So for this, I have written a blog post where I have given the command. This is a simple command, guys. With the help of this command, you will be able to convert your PNG or JPG image to pixelated image. So simply what you will find here inside this blog post, in the description of this blog post, you will find my blog post link. Simply go to that link and simply copy paste this command. Copy this command, and here we will create a directory here, simple directory. I will go my projects directory. I will create a new directory here. Make a new directory, pixelated image. I will go into this directory, open this inside Visual Studio Code text editor, and here, guys, you can download any image. Let's suppose I take the same image. You can take your own image as well. So simply I will download this image inside the directory I have created. Let me name this as profile.jpg. So now you will find that, guys, this is the image that I have downloaded. So now we need to pixelate this. So simply we will paste this command, and basically, guys, the command is very simple: magic convert dash scale. And here you can change it to any value. 10% I have given the default value. You can also change to 20%, and then there is again scale, which is 1000%. And here you need to give the input image name here. This is profile.jpg, and then the output file name, which is pixelated jpg. If I execute this command, now on the left hand side you will see it has created this pixelated image. You will see that if you zoom it, so it is done the same process that we saw in the online tool website, that it created this. So you can just build your own tool website using this command. It's very easy. So you can also view it like this also. You can see that the difference here. And you can also play with this command. You can change the options to, let's suppose I change it to 20% or 80%. And now if you open this, both the images are same, so I think it doesn't do that much. This options need to be remain at 10%. And now if you want to change it to, let's suppose, 500, if I now open this, you will now see there is slight difference here as compared to the last one. This is more pixelated. So basically if you decrease that value, the picture will be more pixelated. So you can play with this command, guys. Totally depends upon you how you need to pixelate your image. But this is a command that I have given in the description of the video. This is a blog post I have written. And now we will make this Node.js. We will convert this to a web application where the user can upload the image, and then automatically the image will be converted and automatically download it. So for creating this Node.js application, guys, in the root directory, just make npm init-y. This will create the package.json file. Now you need to install Express, and you also need to install Malter, where user will upload the images and it will be stored inside the server. So just wait as it installs this libraries. So now just create your index.js file, and you need to make a simple Express server where you will require Express. You will make your Express application. This application will listen on port 5000, and we will simply say that app is listening on port 5000. So we can get a simple GET request. So when you open the home page, we will simply say that we will send a file, HTML file, which is there inside the root directory, index.html. So we will now create this file, which is index.html. So this will be a simple HTML form. So we will say that image to pixelated image. So here we will simply say form action will go to pixelated image, and the method here will be post, and encoding type will be multi-part form data, because we are uploading media, because we are uploading some kind of media. That's why encoding type is required. So inside this we will have a simple input file, and name we will put as file. That's it. So here after this we will have a simple button. We will say that convert. That's it. Or we will simply say download pixelated image. That's it. And we will make it as required, because this is required. So user can't uh, just uh, hit this button without uploading the file. So it is a required field. So now we need to make this post request, guys. Before that, we need to simply import the Malter dependency as well. So we will require the Malter dependency, and here we will simply create a uploads directory. Simply here all the uploaded file will be stored, image files. So now we need to initialize the Malter. We need to just send the instructions that we have created a folder. So just write this and you will get this Malter, how to get extension of file. Let me Here you will get your code here. This is the code which is required. For using this, you also need the path module, which is the built-in module of Node.js. So just include this also. So just copy this. At the end of this live stream, guys, I will copy paste all this source code inside my blog post. So don't worry, I will give all the source code. So you can see we have initialized the storage variable. Inside this, we are using the disk storage method of Malter, and here we are just sending the full path where the files will be stored. So we have stated this is the uploads folder. We have just removed this slash. So we have created this uploads folder, guys. So we have just sent the instruction to Walter that all the files should be stored inside this uploads folder. And then this file name, it will be created, the file name will be created automatically. Every time that you upload a file, it will have a dynamic name alongside with the extension. So this is now we are storing, we need to now call dot single because we are only uploading a single file at a time. And here you need to copy paste the name attribute that you have given, which is name is equal to file here. This needs to be the same here. So dot single file. So if you are uploading multiple files, there is a multiple method as well, which is multiple. So in this case, we are only, sorry, this was array method if you are uploading multiple files with Malter. But in this case, we are only interested in a single file at a time. So we are pasting here the name attribute. So after that, guys, we can make our post request. So we will simply say app.post pixelated image. So request response. And here we will call our upload method request response. And if any sort of error take place, we can simply say uh, error in uploading file. If no error take place, then in the else block, we can console log the path request.file.path. So the path of the uploaded file. So now we can test our application, guys. So we can start our application node more index.js. So it will start our application at port 5000. So we can open this application in the browser. So localhost 5000. So sorry, I misspelled it, localhost. So now I can choose my file, whatever file that I need to create. So pixelated image, I will put this image. So now if I check the console, guys, let me see. You can see now the file is uploaded. You can see that this is a file which is uploaded here. But it is not console logging the path. So I think there is some kind of mistake I have done. Request response. Uh, mm, Let me see. Let me rename this to request response like this. Request. Let me now refresh it. So now you can see that, guys, it is console logging the full path here, upload slash this. And if you now refresh it, again upload the same image. Now if I check, uh, oh, sorry. This needs to be same. So it was just a refresh problem. So just change to like this also. This is the correct code. If you now refresh it, once again, if I choose, so now if I check, the path is successfully console logging it. So this is the path that we need, guys. So now we can simply execute our command. So now to execute the command programmatically, guys, we will use the execute method from the child process module of Node.js. This is, you don't need to install it. It is available inside Node.js library. And now we will execute our command. Execute. So basically this means that we are executing a command line programmatically inside Node.js. So here we will copy paste the same command that we used earlier. This is a command here. So I will paste this command here like this. Then it takes error, standard output, standard error. three argument it takes. So first of all, we will check for the error. If any sort of error take place, then we can say error take place in processing image. If no error take place, then we can simply download this image, response.download. And here you need to change the path. So this needs to be the path of the input file. So this is request.file.path. And then we need to create a simple variable for our output file name. So output, so date.now, and then we will concatenate output.jpg. So here we will paste our output variable. That's it. So now we will download the output here, and then we will check for the error. That's it. So this is basically, this will download the file as the attachment in the browser. So now the application is complete, guys. Let me test this application. So basically we will see, if I upload this image profile, click download, and now you can see that the image is downloading perfectly. You can see that. You can take any image. For example, guys, this is not mandatory that you take the same image. You can take any image that you want. You can see that this is a PNG image. It is converted to JPG. You can see that it is also pixelated. So it is doing this process on all the images. So it's a very good online tool, guys, that you can make it, publish it on the website and earn some money as well using Google AdSense, Zoic ads. So tremendous tool, tremendous opportunity for you. I have shown you the full code. Now I can write a complete blog post on my website so that you can get all the source code. Let me write it live here. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this. So I will just copy the name here of the blog post. So here I will simply npm init -y, npm I express, npm I malter. So after that, guys, you will just need this index.js file, and I will paste this code, copy and paste. And the second file is index.html, which is a simple HTML form where you can upload your image. So just, this is the form here. And make sure that you create that upload directory, guys, before you execute this application. So just make a uploads directory where all the input image files will be stored. So after that, guys, you can run your application, which is node index.js. That's it. So I can now publish this on my website. So I will give this link in the description of this blog post. Publish. So after this live stream ends here, let me copy this link address. And just after, this is a second blog post. In the first blog post, I have shown you the command, and the second blog post, I have shown you the application. So I will save it. So thanks very much, guys, for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.